and one near Mona grass with me bankrupt.
Okay.
Because let's say which one and no they be out at 3 bags. A time will come people know so we are charged. Good. Tiafe there, who be PFU open and never for 30-40.
Ebusia wonim se abefunim de e na sesei e woso wonim se wontimi bibia e wo wiase sesei abra wonfo abefunim de emfa nka ho wosan so enim se sesei no ebesonsum nsam so a abefunim de asan abewremu ana aso daye wonti ase wodaye so ache wodaye so entimi mbem enunti enene me kanfo prophet Dr. Abennego ediama ono ena onyankopon enam ne so na ode abefu ewremu e wo sunsun semu a ode ji nyankopon emma edi from how ene mamane ene omatiti mu enunti onyankopon enam ne so ede a new spiritual science technology ede ababontin aye freno aye castoplanto technologies meba cha wo hwe prophet Dr. Abennego a owo ensam adwagiri castoplanto technologies casting out negativities and planting in positivities.
Kamia yesen ye entertainers no edu baby a na abrapo no mu ayedin ede ama won na ye bisa se adwuma aye a woye no wonya so akatua ana na empem bebre no Ghana ha no sei na aba yesi ni twafo no ebedu baby na o aba mountain so eba besesisika se omo wo ahotwe mu na enei ebi so asi e wo Nigeria a eye sinitwani anidin ene Kenneth Oguba na me no kase ni tina biom yade bia enya kura na abepie mu e wo mountain so na social media no so de amanfo dodo na na atwe ne sere ene abasa wo hwe bia papa yi ete ene enyama wode nu aduane a yetwa beto abe fontin tanu so a esewani ense okatwe so ama akwa ba bia mu hwe mfoni a etwagu ya fa wadwentwe fa comment section no ase efa ma me ka me ho e na me ma me bedwani akwa ba me mo akwa ba bibia boko edebe na obeka ediafa asemu a ye ka ho asemu
no am say me hu ye no me re ho ye
okay
na a friend is saying nyawa bebre si mi trim and me who so say sebi and yedinka so and then nipa beni and then a time will come and send ya wo ho de no etie no and yes enti esi esua aboatatia say and na unya bebre so timi de bisi na ochira no sebi one go do purpose say because my friend is a very funny man act very well to me enti a edu ni sabad.
Okay.
Maybe the nipa ohun bibia sell to me the two move.
But could it be say na mismanagement betimi amama for situation say?
It happens sometimes to near Messi. For all you know, no bia obi ohon man e rate me yare bia e jinisi kenina. Yes, obi wa bibi to no enye bibia planti enye de bia na ye mismanagement. But at times too no at the height of the fame no yeah, my answer is so for bracelet.
As like your child yet too.
Yeah, giving is good, but giving you should give with intelligence.
Okay.
Maybe I make one day the giver will now become the beggar tomorrow.
Okay.
And that's what we need to avoid. It's a necessary one will be a kick and out channel because there will be. I saw the BC now so that you know one show. Because they may say the way we do, and your son will be bad. Wo dia wo but eno nkyere se obi be ma wo
okay
what you say enti nia wo bia na so de bisi na daache no da hia dem no what me
ti wase yie kakra e wo se wo wadie na wo de ma wo bi no so wanya careful a wo de ma no ebedu mebi na wo na wo sere bible no so ma yete ase se oma emu wo nhira e de ma ogie enti wo de no ne wo he na wo patwe
let me who say ya make us tight here my 110 one kasa fa usika nyina abrame.
Okay.
What you say? It's because Nyame say you also need some of the money. In the same way no obi timi cha ade anu wa cha ade a oni.
And as ye 10 year ma bro.
Yes, obi o hon ma o cha na fe aye emotional wa fe o pese o show off. To nipa. It's afe nia only crowd because what yeah feel so wo be nti no obi cry at the point of to borrow no dey che
okay na say sunsun wa
oh that mean pacha me nya sunsun ban ma sunsun ya asem
okay
na me pacha ne say ye won kofo bi a omonsam gu at the say obecha half e be du baby no na ono esre that is what we should avoid in life
okay
yeah
okay then some na ebo keke ana say oye yemi yenhwe
mostly no enya wonsam na go keke ba ebi bebre oye edu baby ana say kofo president we dey in some go na or the GD it's a do certain mo anhwe yi a afa wo de be cha ne a enya say wo de che poro na wo de che at the point I was say challenge you are level nothing
e dey be na betimi a trigger obi say bia meti we me sorry ana me che mo ene anwa me che mo ni anwa but my time afa amanfo hu so this woman or you okay o timi cha de no be a baby sa me car na me need me say me kwaji loan dia to car ma ni pa
anwana na mo na akra say betimi ma so akọ bankrupt
okay
because let's say which anwa eno na bia o che 3 bags bi a time ka people know say oh we are charge
omo be do
good ti afa de u be pie fi open na go for 30 40
nti abo say me so we be cha selected people be
yes it has to be selected people and then you see enya bibia na you see you can't solve everything every time
okay
we are saying me say Jesus wo ho na omo a sebe omo yare wo ho Jesus went me as so bia yare asi
okay
na here for na omo komodi omo nti enye wo na be solve the whole world's problem. That is what we should keep in mind.
Okay.
Do your bits but don't overdo things and only hear your problem who say obroni child yes obroni sebe oni ne catch macra hotel no ebisi ya madaf you also do one obroni the child knows would you pay and or a surprise yeah or a surprise
okay
because you see omo they said I've worked for it samia makuba no mema bibia enya force it you say they be I say abroche for omo child enya sa wakotra abroche was your mentality be say he or she doesn't owe you anything
okay
upon on him out enti who friend say o me nua wa abroche ti baby sika no ono be ka say masa sika na ni da famo me bre but say attitude no eni ya bibi memo
e da form plan so fa be pepa
thank you enti yeah no we need to change our psyche a bit na yeah because we say I don't know
way forward no eye ade a na e beto odwa no watch you say omati association bi when your first time eye ade a na do happen and people ask say oh okay and the nipa so say ngigi scan yan fa mo ano mo say na we the capless mpo ano de aba no de abo nipa no na say no ama enam so mo mati kuo ekuo na won mate no wo de hwe se obi ehukọ ahokyere hu se ya na nya afi na wo ba bonten so aba besere sika e de ama enipa no na emom no wo be ne se wo kọ ekuo ni futuo mu a na oma yisika e de ama so na ebi mu ka se okay enti sa na tie de a na ne se sika modidi ye na ye de ato ho no mama for se niema bi se no adenti na papa ide ya ba bonten ansa na amanfo eya wo se ekuo ye yate association bi say ya de edeboa eye won a wo ho ekire ho when it comes to the industries no
they be am say minim but the entertainment industry no minim say if ya adwin na wo famo
okay
and I said there's something wrong with that you see when you become a celebrity you can even use your name to make money they should first of all say ekueko ni na omonya hwio they should get proper managers financial managers to manage their resources for them or proper management or bet you how to make money
okay
Ekonde oh but you don't even bet me organize a show big guys here but you know people who donate and they on met me solve it kwasa na na I keep on saying say na mo twena yes stars omo ni na so it's not that it's what are we doing what I say most of these people they don't even have managers almost some managers are not important but they are very very important. Oh, a good manager, Sabi, or show Sika Samsuma. Says Sika, Sabi, only no, Nyafu, obey no, I say. But you multiply Sika them out. Or the share investment more, you get future returns. So that's what we should be thinking about now. Yeah, they will be now. Yeah, blah blah blah.
Ebeto John ya Nigeria for no dodo na atwetwe eye wo association ya ye friend no eye Actors Guild of Nigeria we try to short friend no AGN it's an say eye ko bi a wonim say e gina ho yie papa wo fapem ankasa na se bibi say timi ba na ka me aye say wo ye adanko dada adwe enu nti amanfo adidi omatam na so as ensem no emu odin Kamepasa meka but I was say I have to mind certain things. Me to me emo bosho wa hanu say short. I ade amount for do na ADD or matem. So way forward no do think say insult na eba even though ebia na omuhu ye no mubu o manigu so ye ntimi nka ne sade but me the statement. Ebia omuhu no mubu o manigu so na say bi kroma boa ne mmiri bi pen. Eno nti won ntimi mfa no nko a enye ya na say wo ma mu kra no. Obetimi I take what the people are saying into consideration ebe mo gina so atoto omunye meye.
Who say the entertainment industry in Africa does not have structures?
Okay.
It is obi aye me ope. But I want the government to understand something. Government of Africa say you take entertainment industry serious. We don't need to go and borrow.
Okay.
They be aye pay 11 if you can protect entertainment industry and bring structures, and we don't need E11. We don't need even IMF. But the piano book long the doors.
Okay.
The government should bring us proper structures.
Okay.
And can we say see?
Okay.
But yes, no, mobile.
And to final words are what they air to dry.
And now on Sako one or day or Chinesa. So you are what tatia. When you be brave, be see. And that you know, one mobile, Manuato.
Me that say your other social media platform no so follow your other for drink tray your comment section and say my media any Empress and memenya na ke twe back over nyame yadoma ye bese hye bi ma